Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Can you saunt that? A Mercedes-Benz scrap rig? No frickin' way. Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Just cashed in on the dirty old tractor. For all the trouble she caused us, I guess it was partially worth it, but kind of explains why the catastrophic failure last night with popping off the damn ball. Trying to get the receipt. 920 pounds that damn thing was. We had a little itty bitty bit of fencing in there. 920 pounds that son of a bitch was. $60 for just that dirty old tractor. Pretty happy, I guess, but yeah, I was just worried that for some reason she was going to pop off the ball again for no apparent reason. But that explains it. You got 920 pounds hanging off the back. Whew, lesson learned. Went on a little trash picking adventure we did. Actually, just myself. But yeah, I guess it pays to get up super early. Didn't find a whole hell of a lot, but yeah. Got a smoker, a couple old lawn chairs, top to a wheelbarrow, exhaust, old battery charger, little piece of ductwork, card table, and another stroller over there, one of the collapsible super small ones. I don't know, I don't have kids, so I don't know what the fuck, excuse me, what it's called, but yeah, friggin' rights. Just figured I'd show you. And we got some other shit to go pick up here in a little bit. Show you that too. Got a few of the nostalgic scrap metals. This little dreamer right here is pretty fucking sweet. Sit back and do a little digging. Friggin' rights, better move my pop, soda, whatever the frick you call it. Time to freaking dig, boys. This thing's freaking nostalgic as hell. Bring it all the way in. Oh yeah. Spin around. Work from every angle, you know. And we got a couple of bicycle frames. Mongoose KO. Freaking pretty kick-ass little frame. Might resell that actually, because yeah. Got one of these old dreamers. Looks like a dirt bike. And just one of them rockets. Come across quite a few of those. Gotta break down that because most of this is aluminum. The base, that's aluminum. Got another free freaking garbage can. Never knew when all this started I'd have fucking collection of garbage cans. Random scrappies in there. And we got all this shit too. Fridge, treadmill, box full of door handles. I think he said some of the keys are in there. Some of them aren't. So I may or may not even be able to reuse them. I don't know. But dirty old gas tank from an old truck. Microwave was in that box. I didn't need to throw it away. And another nostalgic piece. Oh yeah, there's a little dump truck. Kind of like this. Middle 80s, late 80s. 86 I was born, but yeah, mighty Tonka. Friggin' right. Scoops backwards, I think, but nonetheless, pretty cool, pretty cool. And got all this on the side of the road. I think I showed you earlier, but I think we're gonna keep this. Yeah, it's rusted on the grates, but you can cover those with aluminum foils. You could. Got the old tong words in there too, but yeah. Kind of be nice to have during the winter. I don't know. We'll sell what we don't. Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Figured I'd give you a quick saunt. Quick saunt I did. Got her stacked. Friggin' rights. But not a whole hell of a lot. Still a pretty good load. I'm guessing probably 800-900 pounds. Didn't get that tank in there because they want me to bust a hole in it, and it just started spitting. Started spitting, it did. This is from the sky. But yeah, gonna head off now. See how we do. Wouldn't you know, boys? Wouldn't you know? Right on the money. 880 pounds for $57. Friggin' rights, boys. Not too bad, not too bad. Just for a little trash picking and a pickup. Friggin' rights. Early morning on a Saturday. Just making a little moolah before we go get the missus, or old lady, rather. But friggin' rights, boys. Hope y'all living your dream. Was pissing from the sky earlier. Started raining just after I got her loaded up and came back out to strap her down, but she's not doing none of the sort now, so friggin' rights. Now we just gotta wait for this damn train. Oh, typical Saturday. Trying to leave the scrapyard and frickin' train stopped. Friggin' rights, boys. And they got the old Stark excavating here. It's a pretty happening spot for construction and shit. Demolition. But this would suck if your business was back here and you had to wait like this all the damn time. I come here enough, but I don't even know if you can saunt all the mirrors. In my mirror. You see that? I'm filming my mirror, reflecting all the other mirrors, so you can see how many trucks and cars are back there. 4, 5, 6, maybe?
It's being mowed and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.